On Wednesday, I went to an estate sale for a VCR. Well, I walked away with the VCR. I didn't expect to see it there. Speaking of see it there was a Sony Trinitron remote, just like this. TV was long gone. Anyway, here's the remote, the VCR. Got this nice jog wheel. Have it programmed to work with that set. Volume up and down. You press them both to mute. Pretty cool. And that's all it does, except besides turn the TV off. So let's check out the manual. Been looking at the stuff in here. Came with some of the Sony stuff. The limited warranty. Oh, and that's to the one that I have. So it'd be cool if that one was at the sale. So we'd have two of them. Yeah, they had that little 27-inch Toshiba flat screen. And the other TV, yeah, I don't know why this was with it. Didn't cross my mind why. That's for the VCR. Ooh, it's stuck. Stand by. No, that's not the set they had. Yeah, that got stuck to it. What the hell? Picture tube replacement. Labor only. 90 to 200. Replace yoke. Tuner module. Horizontal output transformer. Wish I had that one. Found the digital version of that. Or something like that. It was junk. 2 of 88. It was an 87. So yeah, that's the cheaper knob tune version that doesn't have electronic tuning. Printed in Indonesia. It's for the VCR. Those were made by Orion, but some of the other Emerson VCRs were made by Mitsubishi. Microwave oven, don't know who made those. This Emerson was bigger than the 19-inch Trinitron. Makes me want to go back there. Today's the last day. They opened at 11 instead of 10 to 6. Not that the closet said do not enter. It didn't. It just had stuff in front of it. Getting warmer. Pretty cool to pass this stuff. $19.94. Copyright date on there. Electric Avenue. Montgomery Ward. It's almost time to watch Shango's video. Sometimes he puts it out before 10:30, or it's not 10:30 his time. Oh, another Trinitron. Cool. Guess you could say this is my first show and tell video. There's more of the Sony stuff. So they had that 19-inch Trinitron and the Emerson whose size isn't mentioned yet. Another Sony thing. Got some labels here. Memorex, usually made by SKC. That's actual SKC branded tapes. XL. Pretty sure the remote goes in here. RF only, still would have grabbed it though if it was there. Nice picture of it right here. There's the back. RF only, it's fine with me. I've never seen an Emerson TV around here for sale. Made by Orion, just like the VCRs. And yeah, that's it. Could have had both of these, but they weren't there.